The Smart Fill command can be used to repeat the way data is extracted from your cells. Here we've typed one first name and another so that Google Sheets can recognise the pattern. If we press Ctrl-Shift-Y, the rest of the first names will be filled automatically. We can do the same with surnames. Pressing Ctrl-Shift-Y again to fill the series. And finally, we'll do the same for initials. Again, we'll press Ctrl-Shift-Y to fill the series in. The command to allow autocomplete can be found in the Tools menu. Keep the option ticked to keep it enabled. Thank you for watching. Contact us at Ancoris if you want to know more about Google Workspace.